Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Francis Ondieki, and today I'm going to show you guys how to download Node.js and Visual Code, also link them together, creating a path between them so that you can use npm node in Visual Code. So by that being said, open your browser. So in my case I'm using Google Chrome, then search Visual Studio Code, then use the first link that will appear. So if you are using Mac or you're using Linux, in my case I'm using Windows, so click on Windows download. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to repeat it again. So also downloading Node.js, so for Node.js download on your browser and use the first link to download Node.js, and it's usually so simple guys. So as you can see guys, I've already downloaded Visual Studio Code setup and Node.js setup. So first of all, we are going to install Node.js. So double click or left click on the installer, then click next, then accept the license and agreements. You don't need to read this, whatever. The next, then program file, don't change anything, and click next. Automatically install necessary tools, next, then install. And back to our folder, click on Visual Studio Code, accept the terms and condition, agreements, whatever. Then next, and create a start menu folder. We don't need that. Next, create a desktop icon, add checkmark everything, and click next, then install. So after installation, I'll be back and we continue the tutorial. So guys, the installation of Visual Studio Code and Node.js was successful, but first thing we are going to do is to confirm whether Node.js was installed properly. So on your search bar, type in cmd, click enter to open your command prompt. Then on your command prompt, type node space -v to confirm the version of your Node.js installed. In my case right now at 2025, the latest version of Node.js was in 2.17. so in case you are watching in the future, the version might be different but procedure will be the same. So after confirming that Node version or Node.js is installed, we are going to create path to link Visual Studio Code and Node.js. So on your search bar, search for Node.js, then open file location, then right click on Node.js, then open file location. So programs, this is the correct path guys. So copy the path, Ctrl C, then on your search bar, search for environments, environment system, environment edit. Open the edit environment or system environment edits, then environment variable, then path. Click or left click on the path to highlight it, then new, then paste the path, then click OK. Also on the system variables, scroll down to path, left click, then new, paste your path, then OK. And now we can close the environment variable. So the next thing, open your PowerShell. So on your Windows PowerShell, copy paste this line of code and you can find it on the description below. Set-ExecutionPolicy, RemoteSigned, -scope, CurrentUser. This is going to help us to run npm and npx on Visual Studio Code. And click Y to agree, and that's it, guys. So back, or you can close Windows PowerShell, then open your CMD, then type the word code dot enter to open our Visual Studio Code. So it is our Visual Studio Code. So we are going to see whether our npm is now working, Node Package Manager, by checking the version of the installed npm by typing npm or space v and placing enter on our terminal. So right now it's npm 10.92. In case you are watching in the future, the version might be different, but once npm has shown up in our terminal, it means that everything is now working perfectly. And now we have linked our Node.js with Visual Studio Code. Now you can create a new project and start coding, guys. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe onto this channel for more upcoming tutorials, guys.